Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I am explaining about properties of rational numbers. So in the last video I have explained introduction of rational numbers and some characteristics. So now in this video I am explaining properties of rational numbers. So learning of properties of rational numbers helps you in doing addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So let us see what are the properties. So I am showing these properties here. First one is closure property, second one associative property, third one commutative property, fourth one identity property, inverse property, fifth one, and last one distributive property. So to understand these properties, let me explain each one with clear example. So here in this topic I am explaining properties of rational numbers under addition property. So now we are seeing all the properties under operation addition. Okay, let us see the first one, closure property. So what this property says, if a comma b are two rational numbers, so they are rational numbers, and if a plus b is also a rational number, it means that if you take a number from rational number and if you take another number also from rational number, and if you find the sum of these two numbers, the sum also, if it is belongs to rational number, then we say that the set of rational number is closed under addition. Let me explain with one example here. Suppose 2 is one rational number, okay, 3 is one rational number, so I am taking two rational numbers and I am adding. So what am I getting? Answer 5. So 5 is belongs to rational number, so it is satisfying, isn't it? Let me give another example also. So minus 4 is also one rational number, plus minus 6 also one rational number. So how much? Minus 4, 6, that is minus 10. So minus 10 also belongs to a rational number. Yes, isn't it? So then we say that rational number is closed under addition. Okay, hope this understood. Let me explain next property, that is associative property. Associative property says, if you take three numbers, if the three numbers are rational numbers, and if a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. So if I take three numbers and if I write a plus b plus c equal to a plus b and then plus c, this also is also a rational number, then we say rational number is associative under addition. Okay, let me give an example. First let me take, if 2, 3 and 5 are belongs to rational numbers, so first I am taking LHS side. So this is a left hand side equation and this is the right hand side equation. So I am first taking left hand side, a plus b plus c. So I am taking three numbers as a 2 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 2 plus, first let us do the problem within the bracket, that is 3 plus 5 is 8, 2 plus 8 is 10. So this is belongs to rational number. Next right hand side, so this is left hand side. Now right hand side, a plus b plus c, 2 plus 3 plus 5. So 2 plus 3 is 5, plus outside still we have 5, so 5 plus 5 is 10. So this is also rational number. See here, so this associative property has a plus b plus c and a plus b and then plus c. So first if you do the last two numbers, and if you add the first number or first two numbers, and then if you add last number, the answer will remain same. There will be no change in the answer. So this property shows that however you add the rational numbers, the sum will be same. So we can say that a rational number is associative under addition. Okay, next let's see the next property, that is commutative property. What is this commutative property says? If any a comma b belongs to rational numbers, and if a plus b is equal to b plus a also belongs to rational numbers, so then we say that rational number set is commutative under addition. So here we are all doing addition only, so that you remember. Now I am explaining only under these properties under addition. After then I will explain subtraction. Okay, so what is this commutative property says? A comma b, if you take a comma b from rational numbers, if you add and if you change the order of the numbers, so if you get the same, you will get the answer that also belongs to rational numbers, and they are both are equal. Let us see with the example. Suppose 5 and minus 6. Okay, they are belongs to q. Let me first to take LHS side. Okay, LHS side, that is a plus b. So let me take 5 and plus of minus 6. So 5 minus 6, how much? Minus 1. So which is belongs to rational numbers. Let me take RHS side, that is b plus a. So I am changing the order of the number, that is minus 6 plus 5. So minus 6 plus 5 is minus 1, which is belongs to rational numbers. So this commutative property says that if you change the order of the numbers, the solution will remain same. There will be no change in the answer. Okay, let us see next property, that is identity property. Identity property. Suppose any number, if you take any number, okay, which is belongs to a rational number, and also there exists one identity element also belongs to rational numbers, such that a plus e is equal to e plus a is equal to a. So it means that if you add a number to that identity element, or if you change the order of the element, you have to get the same number itself. So it means that, suppose example, if I explain with an example, 0 is an additive identity, is an additive identity, isn't it? It means if I take 5 and if I add 5 plus 0 or 0 plus 5, so here is the rule, so I am substituting. So 0 is the identity element and 0 also present in the rational number, isn't it? It is also belongs to rational number. So if you add this, you will get answer 5. So we have satisfied this rule, isn't it? If I take minus 1 by 2 plus 0 or 0 plus of minus 1 by 2, I will get minus 1 by 2 only, isn't it? So there exists an element and also an identity element when they are both are belongs to identity property, and whereas a plus e and e plus a is equals to a, whereas 0 is an additive identity. So when it's satisfied, we say that a set of rational number is having identity element, and also set of rational number satisfies addition identity. Okay, let us see the inverse property. So what is this inverse property says? Suppose a belongs to rational number, okay, and there are another element which also belongs to rational numbers such that a plus b and b plus a gives answer 0. It here I told already, E means 0, identity element which is 0, identity additive identity element is 0. It means here B is additive inverse of A. B is additive inverse. Okay, so you will understand by seeing the example. So 2 is a number, and what is the additive inverse of 2? That is minus 2. Suppose if I add 2 plus of minus 2, how much? 2 minus 2, which is 0. What is 0? Which is identity. So additive identity. Sorry, additive identity. Let me see one more. 5 minus 5. So what is the additive inverse of minus 5? That is 5. So if I take minus 5 and plus 5, so I have already here told that A is a number and B is additive identity of this taken number, and here also I am giving the example the same. So minus 5 is a number, and what is the additive inverse of minus 5 is 5. So minus 5 plus 5, your solution is 0. So we say that rational number satisfies additive inverse. Okay. Next one, distributive property. Suppose if you take any 3 rational numbers, okay, such that A into B plus C, which is equal to A into B plus B into C, also belongs to rational numbers, then we say that set of rational number is distributive under addition. So to understand this property, let us take one example. Suppose 2, 3 and 4 are the three rational numbers. So this is the left hand side equation and this is right hand side equation. First I am taking left hand side equation. So A into B plus C. So I am taking A as 2 and B as 3, C as 4. 2 into, first do the operation which is within the brackets. 3 plus 4 is 7. So 2 sevens 14. So left hand side answer is 14. Now let us take RHS. So A into B plus B into C. Okay, so A I have taken as 2 into B as 3 plus B as here A. I'm sorry for the mistake. So A, which is 2 into 4. Okay, so so let us do the first operation in the bracket. 2 3 6, next plus 2 4s 8. So 6 plus 8 14. So LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, so this distributive property says that A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Also belongs to rational numbers. Okay, and the solution also remains same. So now we say that rational number is distributive under addition. So these are the 6 properties under addition.